you go. Turns out you can jump off the tower. Madness. Utter madness.
Currently crossing the road.
Thanks, Chels. Really powerful stuff. Just finished Sky Tower. Now Tammy's going to leave us. Rude. She's going to get hitched or something. Don't really know.
I wish I was
She's in love with someone different every week. We really don't know. But it's really going to be up to Chelsea and I to keep it going. So we'll see.
Me and Puffin. Fuck off. I'm not going to miss that. He'll be right. See you in 3 days. Bye.
I've just finished the chef table experience at Giapo, which is this ice cream. Unbelievable, honestly. I've done some crazy stuff all around the world. That is one of the coolest experiences I've ever done. If you ever come to Auckland, go and see this guy. Do the chef table experience. It is mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. I'm going to show you some footage now just to showcase exactly what this is all about.